How's it going, everybody? This is Sean here with the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and I'm coming to you. I got a quick update on the Corona 500 build. It's coming along. I mean, I ain't got a lot done, but it's coming together, and I'll turn that around here in a minute and show it to you. And then James Tester is asking a question here, or well, not asking a question. He just wants to see your stalled builds and projects or something, for whatever reason you just kind of put them up and haven't started back up on them. And I'm gonna go show a couple of them that I've got installed right now. So, but let me turn this around and show you what I've done. Of course, y'all know what I'm building. I'm building the Buddy Baker 73 Dodge 1/16 scale for the Corona 500, and I'll turn that around and show you what I've done. Alright, this is what I've gotten done so far. I've got the chassis painted, the pan, and I've got it primed and look like a little overspray. And then I glued this whole skeleton together, the roll cage, you can see right here, and I'll go do the detail painting in it or whatever, but I just found it'd be easier for me just to do it like that. You can see right there. Here's the body. She looks good and shiny, and I'll have to mask it off and spray the aluminum right there. But there's the body. The thing's so big it's hard to get it in here in the picture here. But there's my Hemi engine, Hemi orange, and then I just got all various parts just kind of sprayed, which are I got to do all the dry brush painting and stuff like that. But that's pretty much what I've gotten done so far on this. There's not a whole lot to it, I mean, it's got a lot of parts, I guess, and it's bigger scale. But as far as like the detail painting will be a lot easier on this, and then too, I think I'm gonna do like Chris did at CP 101. I think I'm gonna take that grill and I'll probably put mesh behind it. Then I'll have to mask that off and paint the aluminum in that. There's not really going to be a whole lot of chrome. I've dulled down that chrome tree, so there's not a whole lot left on this. But that's my update for the Coronavirus 500. And then I'll turn it around here and show you for James Tester at the scale model experiment. He's wanting to see some stalled builds from everybody and stuff, so I'll turn it around and I got a couple I'll show him. Alright, James, this is one of my stalled builds right here, and I got a couple of these. I got the S600, and then I got this S800, and I bought this S800 off eBay. Now this one's a builder kit, but my S600's mint. And I bought this one to make a road racing car out of, and it's stalled right now. And this is what's done so far. I ain't happy with that paint. It's coming off probably, or at least the stripes are. It's got the 1/16 scale. This is a 12 scale kit, but it's got the 1/16 scale, I think, Trans Am wheels on it to make them kind of look like a BBS style rim. And then right here is going to be the roll bar to go down in it. I can't get it down in here right now with one hand, but it'll have a roll bar in it, trying to look like a little track day car, a little club racer. But that's it. That's my, and you can see all the parts in there. That's a stalled build right now. Like I said, running out of space for this big stuff, that kind of have to put some of it up for now until I get me a little more space. And then this is another one, Don Garlic's Dragster. The decals are messed up on it, so that's all I've gotten done so far. And I need to get decals for it somewhere, and that's 1/16 scale. I don't know if y'all can see that too good or not. So that's the stalled builds I got. Nothing exciting, but that's about it for now. I mean, I'm sure I got some probably tucked away somewhere, but be too much digging to get it all out. But alright guys, if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you to all my subscribers. Bye.